need to get ready for my lecture.
Things I did before, told you how I used to be.
I know that this looks so bad, but we're prioritising warmth because it's so cold outside.
I did before and I had my share.
Good morning. It is the first day back at uni. Actually, that's a complete lie. It's actually Tuesday. My first day was technically yesterday, but I'm just gonna not count that because it was kind of a bad day. It was like pissing it down with rain and the vibes were just bad. So we're just gonna start again today. I have a lecture at 11. It's an introduction to my new module, which I'm kind of excited about, kind of like CBA, because I actually still have 2 essays to do that I just didn't finish over the Christmas holidays, which is completely my own fault, but like it's just still putting me in a bit of a bad mood. Obviously it's near the end of January, but this month I've literally been eating up all of the get your life together for 2024 kind of videos, and it inspired me to like make a vision board. I basically like set some goals for myself, and one of them is to like actually vlog, which seems kind of silly, but like part of the reason that I wanted to start a YouTube channel was to document my life, and I just haven't been doing that. I filmed some day in the life videos in first year, but I kind of stopped doing it in second year. I was just basically worried that my YouTube videos were really boring. It's obviously quite hard to vlog sometimes because a lot of my friends don't really like being on camera, which is like so fair enough, but when I'm not hanging out with them, I'm literally just like sitting in my room alone doing nothing, so obviously I'm like not gonna film that, but I'm gonna give it a go this week. Today's actually quite exciting. Me and 2 of my friends are going to view a house for third year. We were gonna do it last semester, but everything just got so stressful, so we were just like, you know what, let's just leave it till next semester and it will sort itself out. I obviously really like my current house, but it's kind of far away from uni. Like it's not, but it feels far away in comparison to like other places where we could have been living, and this house that we're viewing today is literally like next to uni, so I'm just really hoping that we like it and that we can like sign for it as soon as possible. This week I'm actually just trying to get my life together. I could do absolutely fuck all. I could actually never upload this video and you could never know, but I actually am like not going to put too much pressure on myself because that's when I fail. We're about to view our house. Very exciting. First impressions. Is this definitely the one that we looked at? Must be, yeah, I can't remember.
Yeah, it must.
I feel kind of weird like filming it because like obviously other people live in here, but like I can just so see us living here. It's so cute. I'm obsessed. This is what the kitchen looks like. Okay, perfect. This is so nice, guys. Really nice. Yeah. Oh, I'm enjoying vlogging.
Is that a camera?
Yeah, I'm an aspiring YouTuber. Mirror selfies, hello. That's a good sized wardrobe as well. I'm loving the like green wall. It's quite nice that we're viewing it on a sunny day because you can like, see the full
it makes a massive difference.
Yeah. Cooker slow, microwave.
Good bit of
Are we happy with this?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm doing the flat viewing right now and I think we're gonna take it. I'm so excited. Okay, so it's been quite a while since I filmed, but I've just been like doing my work and we signed the contract for the house, we paid our deposit, so I'm so gassed with that. I didn't really put in any of the clips of the house where you could like really see the people's rooms. I didn't want to like invade their privacy. You got a little general gist. Basically got about 2 hours till pre's and I kind of need to like finish my essay that's due tomorrow. So I'm literally gonna sit at my desk for the next 2 hours, bang it out, then get ready really quickly. We're actually going to the club that I used to work for and I'm so excited. We're going to see Saint Ludo, which I'm so excited about. I literally saw her in Boiler Room the other day and she was just so unbelievably amazing. So I was supposed to be at pre's half an hour ago, but I kind of like had to do my essay, which annoyingly I did not fully finish, but I have made some serious progress. Kind of annoyed because I was planning on like having a full body shower, like doing my hair properly and like doing my makeup, but like I don't really have time. I do really want to go out, but I just have like so much on. I need to wake up early tomorrow, I have to like finish my essay, so I'm trying to not get smashed. See how that goes. I'm actually going with one of my housemates, which is kind of rare, obviously not because we don't like each other, but just because like everyone's got different music tastes and like different friends and stuff, so it's kind of fun that we're all going out. Okay, I think I'm just gonna have to accept that I'm not looking particularly fresh this evening. I can live with that. I'm gonna put some lip gloss on and hope that solves all my problems. I do kind of want to show you my outfit though, because it's not completely lacking, but the lighting in here is so bad and I need to go downstairs to the bathroom and dry shave my armpits, so I'll show you in the bathroom lighting. I haven't actually had to resort to dry shaving in kind of a while, so feeling a little bit disappointed in myself, but we move. The last time I did this I actually cut myself really badly, so I'm hoping that I won't do that. This is just like a little Burberry top that I got from a vintage shop in Thailand. It's supposed to be a tennis dress, but like in what world is that fitting anyone like a dress? But anyway, and then I've then got this like red belt on I got from a charity shop in Edinburgh the other day. It's old French Connection and I'm obsessed with it. And then I'm just wearing my weekday jeans and my shocks. Pretty standard outfit, but I kind of feel like the red in the top matches so nicely with the belt, so I'm feeling pretty happy about that. Good morning. It is now Wednesday and I'm about to jump on a call for an hour, so I'm just in my comfies. I've got my trackies and my Uggs on because I'm not getting into anything uncomfy. The plan for today is I'm going to lock myself in this room until 5 p.m. because that's when my essay is due. Pray for me. I'm not really sure how much I'm going to film today just because I feel like no one wants to see a 4-hour long montage of me struggling to do my essay, so I might give that a miss. I don't know. You might get a short one. I'm not sure yet.
these diamonds wrong as the life is squinting, can't just stare. We're paid through thick and thin, she already fixed, so I'm halfway there. Brown and bad, could have changed my mind, I was halfway there. 100 meters, I just put Nigel in a sprinter. 100 eaters, it won't fit in one SUV. SOS.
So it's actually been quite a while since I filmed. I am all cozy in bed because it is so cold in my room and I'm feeling a bit stressed. Nothing bad's really happened, I'm just feeling a bit like low energy. I had so much going on recently that I actually just feel quite burnt out. And it's actually the last day of January, which makes me feel so much better because like January is just like a shit month, isn't it? I've really been getting into journaling recently. I used to think it was a bit of a waste of time, but I actually think it makes such a difference. I love just like writing down random pages of thoughts and stuff. I kind of think I didn't do it before because I just overthought it and like thought it was supposed to be aesthetic, well thought out, but it's actually just like word vomit onto a page, which is actually quite fun. So I've just written down some prompts for my monthly reset page and then my goals for the upcoming month. I was going to do like a January reflection, but I kind of feel like January genuinely was quite a shit month, so I'd rather not reflect and I'm ready to move on. That being said, there were some fun times of January, but I would say mostly it wasn't the best month I've ever had in my life. So some of the prompts I've written down are feelings I welcome this month, things I'm proud of, experiences I welcome, and I forgive myself for things I can do to practice self-love. I'm not gonna lie to you, that did sound really, really cringy when I said it out loud, but I'm just gonna channel my inner wellness girl and embrace the cringe, even though it's actually not cringe. Like, I have so much respect for people who are good at journaling. Anyway, and then for my goals for the upcoming month section, I've got 4 areas that I could write goals for, which are creative, personal, academic, and mental health. Kind of doesn't really make sense, but it makes sense in my head. So yeah, I'm just gonna spend some time doing that now, and then I might have some dinner. And then I think I'm actually gonna have an early night because I haven't had an early night in the longest time. I literally went out last night, came back at like 2, and then I continued doing my essay and then didn't go to sleep till 5 a.m. Am I okay? Like, that is actually crackhead energy. So my plan for tonight is to get into bed for Love Island and then fall asleep straight after it. Good evening, everyone. It's actually now Friday and I haven't filmed since Wednesday, I don't think. And I'm just gonna be brutally honest with you. I had a bit of a mental breakdown. I'm not gonna go into it, but my family's been facing some tough times recently and something kind of bad happened yesterday morning. And it's basically thrown me off for the last 2 days and I've kind of just been in bed all day and I literally did not leave the house at all. But then some of my housemates were going to the cinema this afternoon and I was kind of like, you know what? I'd actually love to do that. It'd be really, really chill and I would get some fresh air. We went to watch The Holdovers, something like that. I can't remember the name of the movie, but it was quite good. It was kind of long and it was just like quite cute and wholesome. So I'm glad I did that. I'm feeling a little bit more positive now and I kind of just want to have a chill evening. I know you're probably thinking Friday night, why is she not going out? I just am not obsessed with clubbing anymore. I'm in an era where I only want to like spend money or go out or even drink if I'm going to an event that I really like, to see like a DJ that I've really been into, and there's nothing much on tonight that I'm that keen on. So I'm gonna do some wholesome activities this evening instead. It's literally like nearly 8 p.m, but I've literally done nothing for the last 2 days, so I just kind of want to have a bit of time to get some stuff done, tick off some easy tasks off my things to do list. And I also really want to start my scrapbook. My friend Nancy is so good at scrapbooking. She literally keeps little receipts and wristbands and bits and bobs that she like collects from her various adventures, so this is very much inspired by her. I've also seen people on TikTok doing junk journaling. At the beginning of the year I went to the V&A in Dundee and I got this like plain notebook thing that I think I'm going to use as my scrapbook. I also write in this journal, which I think I showed you the other day, but this one's more for like writing and like setting goals and like reflecting, but this one's just going to be like photos and little things that I save. Like, I've got this ticket from when I went to the V&A and I actually ordered like a bunch of free prints, which I'm quite excited about. Some of them I'm just going to like put on my wall, but some of them I'm going to put into my scrapbook, so I'm just going to spend a bit of time doing that. Tomorrow is obviously the weekend. I kind of want to have a chill weekend but still get some stuff done, and I'm feeling much better than I was. I want to keep this video really, really, really realistic, but I'm not going to be filming when I'm literally like crying. It kind of felt weird today because I was like crying and I don't really cry that much anymore, but I'm not really going to be crying on camera because firstly, like, I'm a fucking disgusting ugly crier, and secondly, that's not my vibe. Through a bunch of my old magazines and I've basically just like ripped out loads of pages that I might use in my scrapbook. I mean, obviously I'm not going to use them all now because I've taken out loads, but I just think that they're really, really good for like inspiration. I also found this book that I bought so long ago. It's called like Do It For Yourself. I'm pretty sure I bought this in like 2021 when I was like entering my Pinterest girl era, but it's actually got some pretty good stuff. I'm going to take inspiration from some of the pages in here and take out some of the inspirational quotes that they've got in there. Like, they've got really, really cute pages like this that I'm just going to like put into my own scrapbook. But yeah, I was just like reading through this pages and it's actually really good. So I really recommend if you want to start like journaling but you don't want to like make it all yourself, if that makes sense. I've also just been looking through all of my like free prints and I'm gonna cut some of them out. Like I've cut this one out to like fit the page. I've been doing that for about half an hour and I think I'll probably be doing it till the early hours of the morning because it is making me feel quite relaxed, which I'm enjoying. So it's actually now Monday. I didn't really film anything over the weekend. I had quite a chill weekend, just hanging out with my housemates, not doing anything too crazy. It's actually nearly 5 o'clock, but I have had quite a productive day. I had a couple of online lectures and some bits of work to do, so I've just been doing that all day. Kind of boring, so I didn't film. One of my big goals this year was to make sure I go outside at least once every single day, because when I don't go outside, I literally feel like shit, and I haven't been outside today, so I'm gonna walk to Aldi whilst I call one of my friends. This morning I actually planned out my week in my planner. This is my papier planner. I feel like I have not raved enough about papier. This is basically their academic journal and I literally use it every single day when I'm in uni. I had one of these in first year and then for second year they actually like gifted me loads of stuff, so huge thank you to Papier. I literally have so many of their products. Like I use this journal by them as well, also their little notepads, and I just cannot thank them enough for gifting me all of this stuff because it is life-changing, especially for an ADHD girl like myself. Say this earlier, but I actually went cherry shopping with my friend Nell the other day and I found one thing which I'll show you. I got this really cool like denim jacket. I'm not really sure whether you can see the colour that well just because of like the lighting situation, but it's like a dark wash denim jacket with orange stitching on it. All of the tags are like cut out of it, so I'm not sure what brand it is, but the buttons say authentic jeanswear on them. So if anyone knows what brand that is, please let me know because I've been trying to research what it is and I can't find what it is. It's just such a nice fitting jacket, and like I do already have a denim jacket, but it's a really bright indigo blue and sometimes I want something just a little bit more neutral toned, and I'm just obsessed with the fit of it. It was literally like £3 from Bernardo's charity shop in Leeds, so major slay. This is going to be my walk / Aldi outfit. I've got my shocks on and then these cargo trousers that I got off of Vinted literally like last summer. I'm pretty sure the brand of these is Cherokee, and I'm just wearing this blue Supreme hoodie, and then this belt is from a charity shop in Edinburgh. I'm pretty sure the brand is Oasis and it's just so cool. I'm really happy to have like a black studded belt because I only have like really colourful ones, and I think I'm going to wear this little Coach bag from Vestiaire Collective that I got a couple of months ago. I've also been obsessed with this hat that my dad got me for Christmas. It's from the brand Bart's, which I think is like a ski brand, but I just think it's so fun and I sometimes feel a bit insecure wearing it, but like fuck the haters, I like it, so I'm gonna wear it because it keeps me warm.